I'm here at Safarick Zoo, and the Capuchin monkeys are cleaning themselves of parasites and just doing the daily grooming routine. Aren't they cute? Uh-oh, I guess it's done. No more grooming. Hey, how are you doing? Do I taste good? Looking for food. The guy's always looking for food. Next time you come to Panama, make sure you visit Safarick Zoo. All these animals are rescued. They were former pets or they were injured while in the wild, and Safarick takes them in and rehabilitates, and if they can, they return them to the wild. Thank you.